This is the 2011 Heritage Softail with the stock pipes. I do have the baffle drilled out with a 1/2 inch drill hole. I'm going to replace that with the Vance and Hines 2-into-1 Pro pipe. So here's the before. Now here's the bike with the new Vance Pro Pipe 2-into-1 and the Harley Super Tuner. With the new pipes, the sound meter recorded about 104 decibels at 3000 RPMs. Keep in mind that the new pipes have the quiet baffle option as opposed to the stock baffle that comes with the Vance and Hines.